pulling this out of my purse and just, yeah, like honestly I do. I love doing it. I'm not gonna even cap.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need him. We would say we up next.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey girl, my name is Mimi, and if you are returning, hey girl, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. So today's video, literally, it's just a bunch of randomness, okay? There's products that I have been loving lately and I just wanted to share them. Since I have quite a few things, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with skincare. So the very first thing I have here is the Beekman 1802 Pure Goat Milk Facial Cleansing Wipes. These are really great for your face and body. And what I love about these are fragrance free and alcohol free. So long story short, I was using the Neutrogena facial makeup remover wipes for such a long time. And since the beginning of time when I started using those wipes, I've always had problems with those wipes burning my face. And one day I was up in Ulta and someone was there and I was talking about facial wipes and how I was having hella issues just with redness and my skin flaring up and my skin getting dry, all those issues, okay? And they introduced me to these guys and I was like, okay, let me give them a try. And ever since then I have been hooked. These guys are extremely gentle on your skin. They take off all that tough makeup. They're not as aggressive for removing waterproof makeup, but that shouldn't even matter because you should be cleansing your skin regardless. Now, one thing these do have in them as well is cucumber extract, aloe, and something called COQ10, which I think is the goat milk if I'm correct. And one thing that's super amazing about these is that you get 30 wipes for $7. So whenever I go pick these up, I literally buy 2-3 packs at a time because I know I'm gonna go through these. All right, so the next thing I have here is the Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica. Okay, your girl Jackie Aina put me onto this. This one is like a very finely milled powder. So you have to use water to activate the exfoliant, or what you can do if you want to make it into a mask, use a little bit of water and kind of gauge it to make it more of a pasty consistency, and then you can put it on like for like 5 or 10 minutes and then add more water and then it turns into a scrub. This has really helped brighten my skin so much. My skin feels very soft, very smooth. This one is only 0.45 ounces and this is $15. And if you get the big one, I believe it's about $60. These two products, you need to tune in, okay? Tune into these products. So I remember way back when, okay, when I first started doing YouTube and I was using like anti-aging like creams and serums and stuff like that, and people used to talk like hella smack. Like, for what, girl? The earlier the better, you know, the earlier the better, okay? So people think that you're supposed to wait until you see a line or a wrinkle to start using anti-aging products. No, the key is to start early. The first product is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi Recovery Complex. Love this serum. They recently reformulated this serum to add the fact that it helps with pore refining. So for anybody that's looking for a serum that's literally an all-in-one, so anything dealing with fine lines, lifting, firming, discoloration, pore refining, just to name a few of the key ingredients in here. You do have hyaluronic acid, you have tripeptides, and you do have caffeine. It comes with like a little dropper just like this, and you take, I wouldn't even use this whole dropper for my face. I would use about 3 to 4 drops depending on how my skin is. If you have a drier skin, you might like 4 drops. Even though I'm oily, I still use a serum. Serums are for all skin types, no matter if you're oily, dry, normal skin, baby. You should be incorporating a serum into your skincare routine. So it's a super thin solution and it's very fast absorbing. And then as you guys can see, my hand looks so much better, so hydrated, so glowy, while my other one's looking like, girl, where's mine? Now with the Advanced Night Repair, it is a little bit pricey depending on the size of the bottle you get. So the cheapest bottle they have is $50, and this one is the 1.7. This one is $105. All right guys, so my next product from Estee Lauder is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. This one is another product that they recently reformulated, and I love the new version of this. So with this particular eye cream, this one is going to focus on reducing the look of crow's feet and the fine lines. It also helps with the reduction of the 11 lines that people get like between their brows. Okay, so I end up taking the product off of the wand, but this is a cryo steel wand, and what this does when you are applying it, it just helps with lymphatic stimulation around the eyes, which is blood flow. And what it's also going to do is going to also help with depuffing as well. When it touches your skin, it's going to give you a cooling effect that will last for approximately 5 minutes. If you want to, you can store this in your fridge and bring it out when it's time to use it around your eyes. So the last and final skincare product that I have for you guys is the Tree Hut Vitamin C Shea Butter Sugar Scrub. Love the vitamin C one. The vitamin C scrub not only contains vitamin C, it also has alpha hydroxy acid and shea butter. If you guys are wondering, this is one of the scrubs I do use on my bikini line, along with the exfoliating glove as well. It just makes your skin feel amazing. So if you guys have never tried a Tree Hut scrub, run out to your nearest Ulta and go get one. They always have like towers and shelves full of these guys for the most part. All right, so my next favorite I have is something I've heard about for a very, very long time, and this is the Grande Lash MD-Lash Enhancing Serum. This is their smaller version of it, which is $34. Like, you guys, this little thing is $34. Honestly, even when I bought this, I was a little bit on the edge. It actually works. Honestly, my lashes look thicker, fuller, and longer. Like everything that say Grande Lash is supposed to do, it does it. A few of the cons about this lash serum is, one, it can make your eyelids look dark. If you get it on your lids, it does darken your lids. So it's extremely important for you to only get the serum on your lashes. And when you do have that issue, just stop using it for a while and your lids will go back to their regular color. Another one of the cons is I do notice when I slow up using it, I start to kind of lose lashes, and I'll be like, dang. But I haven't stopped using the lash serum long enough to notice if it would fully revert back to the way my lashes used to look. But for now, my lashes are so bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just mention these two guys together because I honestly go back and forth between both of these products. And you guys, these are two hand creams that I absolutely love to death. Now, the first one I have is by Clarins. This is their Creme hand and nail treatment cream. It feels so nice. It softens the hands, hydrates the cuticles. It's an amazing hand cream. I honestly have nothing bad to say about it. It smells like a hand lotion. It doesn't have like any particular scent to it. It's just like, you know, a hand lotion. Now, my other hand cream that I have, you guys, I have the Creme Main by Chanel. I will say the difference between the Clarins one and the Chanel one. The Chanel one, the cream is a lot more softer. And it smells amazing. Like, why does Chanel have to make this hand cream so doggone amazing? Now, for the hand cream by Chanel, it is $50, so it's a little bit of a splurge, but it's so worth it. I love just honestly pulling this out of my purse and just, yeah, like honestly I do. I love doing it. I'm not gonna even cap. And you know what? I feel like the Clarins one would be best before bed, honestly, because it doesn't have so much of a fragrance. One of my current makeup faves from Fenty right now is their Fenty Lip Cream. This one is Honey Waffles. For me, you guys, if you ever seen that video, I kind of had a love-hate relationship with this one, but now that I'm transitioning to the fall, I feel like it's like the perfect shade. I actually have it on in this video and it looks amazing. I just reapplied it and you see how it's like orange, but like it has some warmth to it, like a brown. And literally at first I wasn't feeling this color, but I noticed that this color is amazing for the fall time. Like, it's a great color. It just lays perfectly on my skin and it just looks so good. The thing about the Fenty creams, they look so good on their own and you can wear them with a liner if you want to. I love Fenty products for the simple fact, whether it's their creams or their glosses, they don't make my lips peel. That's like a major thing for me. All right, so one of my other faves that I have for makeup, this one is the Totally totally Taupeless. It's a Radiant Matte Bronzing Powder by MAC. This was from their summer collection last year, and I'm just now like literally getting into using this bronzer. I use my Fenty Cream bronzer in number 4 Honey Glaze, and then I put this on top. Amazing. Works like a dream. Okay, when I wear this alone, it just makes me look it just makes me look weird. It just, to me, it just doesn't come across like it's supposed to. My current favorite fragrance right now is the Twilly by Hermes. Now this is the original fragrance. I love this. I don't remember all the notes, but I know it has peppercorn and tuberose in here for sure, and it has a little bit of a woodiness to it. I love things that have like a rosy woody tone to it, because when it hits my skin, it just works. It works for me. So I really love this, and especially for the fall, I have been using this like crazy. Like, this is literally my go-to fragrance, daytime, nighttime, doesn't matter. I've been using this one. We're talking about, you know, feminine energy with your fragrance. We're just gonna lead that right into these clothing pieces that I want to share with you guys. So lately I've just been, how can I say, just playing with my style a little bit. These two pieces I really love. I wore these over the summer and I was so obsessed with them, as other people were. I did have people asking me like where I got them from. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So hold on. Oh my gosh. And it just fell off the hanger. Okay, I gotta put it back on the hanger so y'all can like see the shape. This first piece, can you guys see it? It's like like a corset, like bustier, and it has like these cute little ruffles on the sleeves, and it is scrunched in the inside, so it's actually going to hug your arm and keep it from, like, you know, falling down. And with these cups, these cups, they're going to push your boobs up. You know what I'm saying? So if you like, I'm a C cup, so I have, you know, some boobs, and it really just pushes your boobs up, accentuates them, and your boobs are clearly going to be the main thing. Because so I am going to insert a picture of when I wore this shirt. Like, this is a shirt for me that I would definitely do with jeans and a pair of heels, and let the top do all the talking. It has some really sturdy boning in here. I did get this top from Opoly. So with this one, I ended up getting this in a UK size 10 and a US 6. I think a UK size 10 is like a medium, but I just love this shirt. It just makes you feel like so cute, so girly, like I obsessed over this shirt. So the next shirt I bought was another shirt from Opoly, and it is, hold on, like another like bustier corset type shirt, literally like the same concept as the other shirt. Oh, and that one, and this one is like this type of like silk material, where this one is like a full cotton material. It has like the long puffed out sleeves with the ties at the end, so you can pull it tight and, you know, it won't slip off your wrist. Another strap that goes around your neck. And again, this is a shirt that's accentuating your boobs. I'll insert a photo so you guys can see how I wore it. Now, when I wore this one, I actually did the complete opposite of instead of wearing jeans, I wore shorts, because for one, this was long sleeve and it was hot outside that day that I wore it. So I was like, no, we're doing shorts, and, you know, we're gonna do it like that. It has some boning again. It has like, it does have like, the cups on these shirts are supported as well. It has like the boning under the cup. And one thing I love about Opoly, they have quality clothes. I feel like if you buy this from more of a fast fashion type of store, you're gonna get fast fashion quality, meaning it's not gonna be that great. You guys actually saw this in my vlog, but my best friend had went to, I think it was Michael's. She had found these knot pillows for me. As you guys know, knot pillows are extremely in for like home decor, accentuating, making your room just look a little bit more like artsy and things like that. So she ended up getting me these knot pillows. I ended up getting 2 of these. So I have 2 knot pillows, and both of these are for my bed. This is more like a blush pink. I don't know how it's picking up on my camera, but it's more like a blush pink, and I really love these. They really just add that little bit of artsy touch to your space. And I've honestly been rethinking about like my space and the direction that I want to go in, as far as like the more artsy, abstract type of space. I don't know how to put it, but I have it in my head what I want to do with my space, but I'm kind of like slowly starting to implement that. Yeah, you guys, so that's basically it for all my super random favorites. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and comment below and let me know what was your favorite random product that I mentioned today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys.